Good morning, ma'am. I am here applying as a data encoder. I am Rosanna Magtibay, presently residing at Pinagkawitan, Lipa City, Batangas. I am presently studying at Lipa City Public College, taking up a ladderized education program for Bachelor in Science in Computer Science. Based on the requirements stated, I believe that my knowledge and technical skills will help your company. Ma'am, I had my experience as PC operator at TESDA in Bulbok, Lipa City. I had learned on my on-the-job training how to calculate using Microsoft Excel, search information using Internet, create using Microsoft PowerPoint, and edit using Microsoft Word. I had also experience to handle incoming and outgoing calls, and also assisted visitors and students in the office. Ma'am, I had here my 6 months on-the-job training, and now I have my on-the-job training at Nerjas Day Cyber Cafe at Lipa City. In my on-the-job training, I had learned that how to assemble computers and create programs using Turbo C and Microsoft Visual Basic C++. Ma'am, I hope my application has convinced you of my ability to take me on the job. I am also good in written and spoken in English. Taking me on the job, I am willing to work overtime, willing to take responsibility, and I'm willing to be trained. Ma'am, I think my skills and experience will help you to take me on the job. Thank you, ma'am.